Hello cyber protectors. Welcome back to our channel, GradeSpot IT Solutions, where we explore the world of cybersecurity and help you navigate the exciting realm of cybersecurity and ethical hacking.
My name is Maya, and I'll be your trainer on this journey to fortify your cybersecurity skills. Together we'll explore the fascinating world of cybersecurity, equip you with valuable knowledge and skills. Today, we have an exciting announcement for you. We are launching a brand new course on Introduction to Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking, and it is a free course. As technology continues to advance, the importance of understanding and protecting our digital assets has never been more crucial. In this series, we will dive deep into the world of cybersecurity, exploring various topics and techniques. So, whether you're a beginner looking to enter the cybersecurity field or an enthusiast wanting to enhance your knowledge, this course is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. This course is divided into several modules, each focusing on a specific topic. Here's an overview of the modules we'll cover in this course. We will begin with Introduction to Cybersecurity. In this module, we will discuss about what is cybersecurity, different domains in cybersecurity, understanding the cybersecurity landscape, common threats and vulnerabilities, the role of cybersecurity professionals, CIA trade, and some follow-up topics. Afterward, we will proceed to the subsequent module, Fundamentals of Ethical Hacking. In this module, we will discuss about the ethics of hacking, types of hackers, the phases of ethical hacking, the role of ethical hackers in cybersecurity, information assurance, classification of attacks, and more. And then we'll be moving on to the next module, Setting up your ethical hacking lab. In this module, we will discuss about choosing the right hardware and software, configuring virtual machines and networking, learning essential tools for ethical hacking, installing the operating systems, and the required tools. And then we will be discussing the networking concepts. In this module we will discuss OSI reference model, TCP/IP model, network devices, transmission media, network architectures, protocols, and port numbers. Computer networking is one of the core skills in cybersecurity. Learning CCNA and CompTIA Network Plus will be a good advantage. Moving forward, we will discuss footprinting concepts. Here we will cover what is footprinting and its types, competitive intelligence, mirroring websites, footprinting tools, and countermeasures. And then the next module is network scanning, which is most important to scan the target organizations, their computers to check the open ports, services running, operating systems they are using. Here we will discuss about network scanning concepts, scanning tools, scanning techniques, installing and using map, the map commands and cheat sheet, and the countermeasures. And next, we delve into the network security and penetration testing module. Here we will discuss network scanning and enumeration, vulnerability assessment and exploitation, vulnerability research, vulnerability databases, mitigating network security risks, and the countermeasures. And then, we will move to web application security. Here in this module, we will discuss about common web application vulnerabilities, web application penetration testing, web server architecture, web server attacks, methodologies, and countermeasures to protect the web applications and web server. And then, the next module is social engineering, the art of manipulating people. In this we will discuss about understanding social engineering techniques, phishing attacks, crafting effective phishing campaigns, and defending against social engineering attacks. And then, wireless network security. In this, we will discuss about different wireless standards, wireless network vulnerabilities, wireless network attacks, wireless network penetration testing, and securing wireless networks. And then, cryptography and encryption. Here we will discuss the fundamentals of cryptography, encryption algorithms, and protocols, implementing encryption for data protection, using BitLocker drive encryption, using VeraCrypt, and MD5 and MD6 hash calculators. And finally, we will move to the last module, Building a Career in Cybersecurity. Here we will discuss the essential skills and certifications in cybersecurity, job roles and opportunities in cybersecurity, networking and professional development. Along with these concepts, we will discuss about various tools used in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, along with practicals. Throughout this course, we'll dive deep into each of these topics, providing you with practical, hands-on experience and real-world examples. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, empowering you to protect your digital assets and contribute to a safer online environment. By the end of this Introduction to Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking course, you will understand the importance of cybersecurity in today's digital landscape, recognize various types of cyber threats and attacks, including malware, phishing, and social engineering, gain a solid foundation in networking fundamentals, including IP addresses, TCP/IP, DNS, and OSI model. Identify vulnerabilities in operating systems and learn techniques to secure them. Comprehend the security challenges faced by web applications and employ tools and techniques to mitigate vulnerabilities. Grasp the principles of cryptography and encryption, including symmetric and asymmetric encryption, hashing algorithms, and digital signatures. Familiarize yourself with ethical hacking methodologies, reconnaissance techniques, and vulnerability assessment. Understand social engineering tactics used by attackers and learn about physical security measures. Learn network security fundamentals, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and virtual private networks, VPN. Identify wireless security vulnerabilities and secure Wi-Fi networks. Gain insights into various cybersecurity career paths and certifications. By completing this course, you will have a strong foundation in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, empowering you to pursue a career in the field or enhance your existing knowledge and skills. Stay tuned for more content on this topic, as we delve deeper into specific cybersecurity techniques, best practices, and emerging trends. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on new videos in this playlist. Happy learning! Until next time, this is Maya, signing off. Stay safe and secure in the digital world.